Welcome back, student. Today I am going to discuss how to solve volumetric problem. Let me write a equation AA plus BB that is equal to CC plus DD. If we talk about the moles in this equation, then you can see mole are A and B mole of capital B, C mole of capital C and D mole of capital D. How to calculate the mole? Simply weight upon molecular weight will give us number of moles. Now, if we talk about gram equivalent, then gram equivalent in any reaction are same. So how to calculate gram equivalent? If we know weight, then gram equivalent will be weight upon equivalent, weight in gram. So this will be your gram equivalent. If it is given in normality and volume form, then gram equivalent can be obtained by multiplying by normality and volume in liter. Volume should be in liter. We can equate these two equations. W upon E, that is equal to normality into volume. If one is given in weight form, another is given normality in volume form, then we can equate these. Volume always in liter. If it is given in normality in volume, then N1V1 equal to N2V. Now, if molarity is given and we want to calculate normality, then simply write normality equal to molarity into conversion factor X. Now suppose 2m H2SO4, that means molarity is given 2m. Then we want to calculate normality, simply write this over here. Normality would be molarity, that is 2 into conversion factor X. In this case, if you want to get the conversion factor, then H2SO4 can be written 2H plus SO4 minus 2. So either you can take this 2 minus 2, or because here 2H plus ion is there, so conversion factor is 2. Here 2 and from here also 2. So it would be 4. Suppose you want to calculate the normality of 3am HCl. So molarity of HCl is given. So if you want to write HCl, then H plus Cl minus. So conversion factor over here is plus 1. So normality of this one is 3, that is molarity, into conversion factor 1, that is 3. Let us solve some problem. So here you can see what volume of 6am H2SO4 should be added to 10 liters of 2NH2SO4 in order to get 20 liters of 3m H2SO4 on dilution with water. Let V1 liter is to be added. Then we can write gram equivalent of H2SO4 of this plus gram equivalent of this, that is equal to gram equivalent of this. So N1 V1 plus N2 V2, that is equal to N3 V3. Here molarity of H2SO4 given, so to calculate the normality N1, that is equal to molarity, that is 6 multiplied by conversion factor is 2, that is 12. V1 is to be calculated, plus N2 is given 2, V2 is 10 liter, N3, to calculate N3, molarity is given 3 multiplied by conversion factor 2, so N3 would be 6 multiplied by V3 is 20. So 12 V1 plus 20, that is equal to 120, 12 V1 that is equal to 120 minus 20, 12 V1 would be 100. From here V1 would be 100 divided by 12, that is 25 divided by 3, that is equal to 8.33 liter. That is your answer. Now example 2, you can see an HCl solution is standardized by titration of pure sodium carbonate sample. Calculate the normality of HCl if 41.31 ml are required to titrate 0.2153 gram of Na2CO3. That means what we have to do, gram equivalent of sodium carbonate that is equal to gram equivalent of SCl. Sodium carbonate is given in wet form, so we have to write W upon E, that is equal to SCl is given normality and volume form, and normality we have to calculate normality into volume in liter. So to calculate the equivalent of sodium carbonate, first we have to calculate molecular weight of sodium carbonate. So you can see sodium 23, so 2 sodium, that means 46, carbon is 12, plus 1 oxygen is 16, 3 atoms are there, so 48, that is equal to 106. So equivalent weight of sodium carbonate, that is equal to molecular weight 106, but divided by number of anion or cation. So if you write sodium carbonate, it would be 2Na plus CO3 minus, so divide by 2, that is 53. Now put this value over here. W is given 0.2153 divided by 53, that is equal to normality is to be calculated, calculate करना normality. Volume 41.3 ml में दिया है, it is given in ml, so we have to convert in liter, so we have to divide by 1000. So from here normality equal to 0.2153 multiplied by 1000 divided by 53 into 41.30. If you calculate this, it would be how much? 0.09835 N. That is your answer.